In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for reporting. By the end, you'll know how to spin up a ready-made reporting setup in just a few clicks so you can track progress without building everything from scratch. First, open your browser and go to ClickUp. Sign into your workspace as you normally would. If you have multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the one where the reporting should live. This keeps your data organized and visible to the right people. Next, head to the space where you want the report to reside. A space is the best home for reporting because it groups related folders, lists, and dashboards together. Picking the correct space up front saves you the trouble of moving things later and ensures the right teammates have access. Inside that space, look for the plus icon to create something new. This is your shortcut to add items quickly without leaving the space. Click it to open the creation menu. From the options that appear, choose Templates. Templates are the fastest way to standardize processes and keep your reporting consistent across teams and projects. They come pre-configured with structures and views that you can tailor after they're added. In the Templates window, use the search bar and type Reporting. This filters the gallery so you don't have to scroll. You'll see several choices designed for different reporting styles and needs. Select the RAG reporting template. RAG stands for Red, Amber, Green, a simple status signal used in project health summaries. It's great for weekly or executive updates because anyone can glance at a status and understand risk and momentum immediately. Click Use Template. This typically opens a brief setup panel so the template can be added to your chosen location with its default structure. It's a clean starting point that you can customize once it's in your space. Give your new report a clear descriptive name. A good convention is to include the team or project and the reporting cadence, like Marketing Weekly RAG Report. This makes it easy to find later and avoids confusion when multiple reports exist. Finally, click Use Template again to confirm and wait for it to load. Don't navigate away while it's provisioning. The time it takes can vary depending on your workspace size. When it's done, your report will appear in the space, ready for you to update statuses, add owners, and start capturing progress. That's it. Open ClickUp, choose your space, add a template, search Reporting, pick RAG Reporting, use the template, name it, and confirm. You're ready to report with confidence.